All right, so Chapter 0, Review Number 1, Assignment P3, or sorry, Page P3. Number 6, so we got 18 minus 4.4 minus negative 3.2. Remember, I stated we go ahead and add this. I line up my decimals, 6, 11, 2, so 21.6. Number 13, 7 over 20, and I need to compare this with 2 over 5, and I actually taught you without a calculator, we can go ahead and come up with the common denominator, or we could cross multiply. So I can multiply this by 4, which would make 20. So if I multiply this by 4, this would be 8. 8 over 20 is bigger than 7 over 20. So these could match. Or I could take 7 times 5 is 35, 2 times 20 is 40, 2 over 5 is bigger than 7 over 20. Number 19, negative 3 over 5 plus negative 1 over 5. They already have common denominators. So those are, they're both debt. So negative 3 plus negative 1. So debt, no debt. 3 and 1 are on the debt side. So I'm going to add, and it's going to be negative 4. So my answer remains negative 4 over 5. 2.4 times negative 0.7, so I need to multiply this. I only have one negative sign, so I know my answer is going to be negative, and I'm going to move the decimal twice. So I'm going to take 24 times 7. That gives me 28. 14, 15, 16. I move the decimal twice, 1.68. Number 28, negative 2 over 21 divided by negative 2 over 15. I need to multiply by the reciprocal. So this would be positive 30 over 42. I can reduce this by 2. That would be 15 over 21. I can reduce this by 3, which would be 5 over 7. Number 33. 35 is what percent of 200? So 35 is what percent? So I'm trying to find the percent of 200. So 200 goes on bottom, 35 must go on top. So that would be 3500 equals 200x. If I divide by 200, I know my zeros can cross out. 35 divided by 2, so 35 divided by 2, 2 goes into 3 once, 2 goes into 15, 7, 1 left over, bring it down, 2 goes into 10, 5, so that would be 17.5 if I were to divide. Number 46, find the volume and surface area of the rectangular prism. So volume of a rectangular prism is length times width times height. So my volume is 3 times 5 times 2, so that'd be 15 times 2 is 30. So my volume would be 30 centimeters cubed. My surface area would be 2 length width plus 2 length height plus 2 height width. Your variables might be slightly different, but it's the same thing. So I'm going to let my length be 5. So 2 times 5, I'm going to let my width be 3. So this will be my width. So then 2 times my length is 5, my height is 2. So 2 times my height was 2 and my width was 3. So it doesn't matter as long as you get the same answer I get. So this would be 15 times 2 is 30. 10 times 2 is 20. 4 times 3 is 12, so that gives me 50, that gives me 62. No matter how you do it, you should get 62. Number 48, So I need to find the probability of red or blue. So I need to find red or blue. So I need want over total. So red, there are 3. Blue, there are 6. 3 plus 6 is 9. And my total is that's 7, 8, 9, 15. So that would be 9 over 15. 9 over 15 reduces to 3 over 5. Number 52. A coin is tossed 50 times. The results are shown in the table. Find the experimental. Write a fraction in simplest form. So find the experimental of head. So head was 22 over 50. Well, I can reduce this by 2. That would give me 11 over 25, which is what they got in the book. And we are done.